Hey guys, there's a Hunter Beacon Hill ceiling fan. You may have seen these in one of my Habitat videos. I got this at the Addison Restore in Illinois. I know the ceiling fan page has been to the Addison Restore. I've never been to a Habitat Restore in Illinois, so that was my first one in Illinois. And this is my first Hunter Beacon Hill, first Beacon Hill. It does look similar to a Passport 3 in Eastern Shore, a Paramount XP, and a Bayport. Because a Hunter Beacon Hill is like similar to a Bayport, except Bayport has 4 and Beacon Hill has 5. But this is kind of like a Bayport knockoff, I guess. Not really a Bayport, but it sort of looks like a Bayport. As you can see, the top of the bracket is not original. It was the bracket that came with, but my dad thought it wasn't safe. But it seemed to be okay, but I don't think that's gonna work out. So I had to use that bracket. I get just like washed oak blades on that side. Does look like similar to a Bayport a little bit, except this one has 5. Cool glass. This kind of looks like a Bay port and a Eastern Shore and a Paramount XP. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a demo now. I'll give you a demo. Okay. Starting with the light. Does look kind of cool with this glass on. Go ahead and turn it on now. Here's low. Also, you can attach this without a light kit too, but this one didn't come without. This one didn't came without a light kit switch housing, unfortunately. This one does wobble a little bit. I like to the blades. And it does have like a sticker, a Habitat sticker on it. This is like $15. Also, I saw a hint available that was also 15. I think it was like an older one or something like that. Mine is newer. I wanted to get an older one. The older one is like without a light kit and with the light kit. But this you can switch out both switch caps. And also, it's compared to a Hunter Low Profile, the Home Depot version. The housing. Alright, I'm gonna turn it to medium now. Oops. Hi. Oops. Let's go really fast. There's a lot there. This wasn't wire. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn it off now. Alright, that's it. That's all I have to do. If you're a ceiling fan, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Stop it there. Alright, that's it. See you for watching. Bye.